Merman 1,
2,
3, 4,
5, 6,
7.
Hi. After completing school, have you ever thought of making something creative out of paper? Well, the art of origami will take you back to those days. The art of origami is a Japanese art of paper folding. The goal of this art is to convert a flat sheet of paper into a finished sculpture through folding. The word ori is the Japanese word which means folding, and the word gami is the Japanese word for paper. It never really started in Japan. It started in China in the 1st or the 2nd century, and then it spread in Japan in the 6th century. The exact origin of origami is not really known till now, but mostly it started in Japan. At first, there was a very little paper available, so only the rich could practice the art of origami. But Japanese made very useful purposes out of the art of origami. Like the samurai would exchange gifts with a form known as noshi. This was a paper folded with a strip of dried fish or meat. It was considered a good luck token. And also the Shinto nobleman would celebrate weddings by wrapping glasses of sake or rice wine in butterfly forms that had been folded to represent a bride and a groom. As easier paper making techniques were developed, origami became more popular. All the people, rich and poor, practiced the art of origami. But still, the Japanese would save the tiniest scraps of paper to make something out of it creative and fold it into an origami model. If we talk about the books written on origami, then for generations there were no books written on origami. Only it passed from generation to generation, and in 1797 there was a first book written on origami. It was called the How to Fold a Thousand Crane. This book was the first book which showed the written instructions how to fold a crane. A crane is considered a sacred bird in Japan. It is considered a Japanese custom that if you fold 1,000 crane, then one of your wishes would be granted. And if we look at a picture, it would look like this, 1,000 cranes. I got this picture from the Google Images if you look online. And this all information on origami, I got it from a Wikipedia source which really gives you detail about the history of origami. As books and printed material were available on origami, it became a diverse and advanced form, and everybody started practicing the art of origami. Not only the Japanese, but the Moors from Africa also practiced the art of origami. If we talk about the masters of origami, then Akira Yoshizawa, he is a Japanese guy, and he's considered the father of modern origami. He has folded a lot of different kind of origami models, and he also developed the set of symbols and terms which are used worldwide in the written instructions of origami. There are different types of origami. There are like 80 different kinds of origami practiced, and some of them are called action origami, strip folding, toilet paper origami, wet folding origami, and this all you can go online and you can see the instructions how to make them from Google. And some of the different models of origami, this is a crane, which is mostly the best form of origami. I made this out of a YouTube video, looking at a YouTube video. And some of the other models, I'll show you, they're right here. This is a crane, the same one which I folded. This is a butterfly, this is a flower, this is a rose, this is a boat, this is a cat, this is a star. So we looked at is the history of origami, the different models, the different types, and who are the persons popular for origami. And the fame of origami is still growing, and kids and everyone enjoy doing the art of origami. Thank you.